Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Listen here, what you're looking at is Bora Bora. Okay, this is the presidential suite in Bora Bora, and I'm getting ready to go there. But what I want to do in this video here, I want to show you how you can go here basically by building a $100,000 online business with a free app. As a matter of fact, I have my iPhone here. I'm going to take you step by step through the process here. Does that make sense? I'm going to show you on the iPhone. If you got a Google phone, an Android phone, this is a very simple way to make money online up to 6 figures this year. You don't need a camera. You don't need to show your face. As a matter of fact, this is probably the most simplest, easiest way to make money online that I've ever recorded here. So listen, first thing I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna show you some people that are already doing this. Like this guy right here, they're doing about $10,000 a month doing this. And the great thing about it, in 30 to 60 days, you can do this very quickly here. And let me show you somebody else here. Here's another place. And the great thing about this is gonna be done on YouTube, but you don't have to create a video. You don't have to show your face. I'm sorry, you don't have to show your face at all. And you see this guy, he's doing like $13,000 per month. So imagine making that type of money by downloading this app that I'm gonna show you right here on this iPhone here, okay? You gotta see yourself making money online right now just by listening close to the very end of this video. And you're gonna be shocked, you're gonna be excited, because trust me, very soon, you're gonna be going to Bora Bora as well, taking your children all over the world, okay? Now listen, first step is, I'm gonna do it on iPhone first, okay? So let me log in here. Hold on, stay with me here. As a matter of fact, you should do it with me, okay? So here's what you wanna do. You wanna go to the App Store, okay? And I'm gonna show you here, and I'm gonna show you on my actual computer as well. Now pay close attention. If you fast forward through the video, you will miss out. You will make $0. You have to pay close attention to what I'm doing here so you don't miss a step. Does that make sense? Okay, now check it out. So you type in screen recorder. Okay, type in screen recorder here. And you have many screen record softwares here that you can download. And the great thing about it, you can download it for free. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, I already have one. You can just, if you want to download this one, this is what I would prefer. And you click the button open, and it's going to open and download straight to your iPhone. Okay, you're going to need that. Now, for all my other users as well, this is what you want to do. You want to go to google.com. and you want to type in Google Play. Now listen, you know, I don't want to BS with you, and I don't want to play around in this video. I just want to show you exactly what you got to do so you can start making money online now, today, okay? So you click on Google Play App Store here, okay? And you can type in screen record, because like I said, it's an app. This is the app here. You're gonna use your phone. You don't need a computer for this. You don't need a laptop or iPad. All you need is a phone, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna download the first app that you see. As you can see, it's many ways to download screen record software. There's many of them. Just get this one, okay? Get this one, and you're gonna download that to your Google phone, your Android phone, whatever. Does that make sense? That's step number one. Now understand something. Next, what you need to do is go to youtube.com, okay? youtube.com. Now youtube.com pays you a bunch of money just to post videos. But like I said before, you don't need to show your face. You don't almost have to do much of anything. Listen, all I ask you to do this for me. Once I show you this, smash the like button and share this video, because you're gonna have all the tools that you need to do $100,000 like these guys. So you're gonna go to a channel by the name of How To Digital. This is very important. Now, let me tell you why it's important. This guy's making about $13,000, as you can see here, per month. You see that? It's $13,000 per month. And the great thing about it, you may say, well, Wesley, he has 152,000 subscribers. I'm gonna show you something where you're gonna get a ton of subs, like almost for free, okay? So pay attention to the very end of the video here. Now listen, what this guy is doing, he's just making videos on how to do things, and it's only 1 minute, okay? 56-second videos, 58-second videos, 1 minute videos. And the great thing about it, you don't need a lot of views. Look at this, 150 views, and he's still making $13,000 a month. 44 views, 49 views. And you're thinking to yourself, well, how is this guy able to make so much money when he has low view count? Let me tell you why. Because when you're in the tech industry, okay, they pay a lot of money for what is called CPM. YouTube is gonna pay you a ton of money if you're in this niche. Okay, let me show you another channel. If you don't believe me, look here, Tech Boomers. If you're getting excited, smash the like button, because see, listen, this is what the big guys, such as myself, I have other channels I've never talked about, and you'll never know I'm there, but I make an extra $10,000 to $15,000 per month. And the great thing about it, you can do it on autopilot, and I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. So Tech Boomers here, 429 subscribers. It's a little bit more, but just look at the videos here, okay? Look, 180 views, right? 577. So the question is, well, how much is this guy making? It's just some tricks of the trade. That's all I gotta tell you, and I'm gonna give it to you in the video. That's why so many people love me so much. In the comment section, I see it all the time. Wesley, I love you, because I just give the keys. I mean, honestly, just all you have to do is just model everything that you see in this video here, okay? Then you're gonna go back here. Let's see how much money they make. We type in Tech Boomers, okay? See this? Show you proof. Look, it's $9,000 a month. I understand $9,000 a month is not a bunch of money, but it's a bunch of money to someone that has a 9-to-5 job that wants to quit. And the great thing about it, you can be a teenager and do this. You can be an at-home mom. You can be a person and do this on your part-time. It's very simple. And I'm gonna give you the strategy step by step. Okay, so now this is what we're gonna do. We found the channels basically that we know is already making money. So what you're gonna do is this. First step is create a YouTube channel. You should already know how to do that. Go to google.com, create a YouTube channel from scratch, okay? Is that cool? Simple to do. Then what you wanna do is, in a new channel, don't use this with an existing channel. It needs to be a brand new channel, okay? And all you're gonna do is go to a site, go to a channel like How To Digital, and you're just going to watch one of his videos, but you're gonna do this. You're gonna do a sort by most popular, and you can see he had 12 million views 2 years ago, right? That's a long time ago, right? And we got here how to go live on TikTok. So something like this, we can model. So we're gonna click on that, and all you need to do is watch that video. Does that make sense? You're just going to watch that video. It's like, it takes you 1 minute to watch it, okay? Then after you watch that video here, can everybody see this? Smash the like, please. Like, he just shows you basically how to go live on TikTok, which is very simple. You're gonna watch it, and then what you're gonna do is use your iPhone here. You've already recorded, or you already downloaded the app here, and all you're gonna do is use your iPhone here, using the screen record, and you're gonna do exactly what he just did right here. Does that make sense? You're gonna do exactly like, listen, like this, listen. You're gonna do exactly what that guy did here. You're gonna do it on your iPhone. I mean, that's how simple it is, okay? You record the video, it's your voice, you're not showing your face, but you're doing exactly what he showed you in the video. It takes less than 2 minutes to do. You see, it's a 2-minute video. You can do it in 1 minute. And what you're gonna do next is this. Now listen here. You're gonna title the video just like he titled it here. Does that make sense? How to go live on TikTok 2021 without 1K followers, okay? Or you can do it without 500 followers. It's up to you. But what I like to do is I like to model the exact title, okay? So everybody with me so far, smash the like button. I mean, this is how people are doing it. This is how I do it. I mean, I make a ton of money online doing these small nuances that other people just are not aware of, okay? So if you're with me, smash the like button or comment the word, let's go! You gotta be motivated, baby, to make this money. Now listen, now, let's imagine this. You already got your video, okay? You record it on your phone. You go to the upload button right here, upload video, right? And what did I say before? Remember what I told you before? All we're gonna do is, like, let's go back, let me go back to that site again. Tech Boomer here. Say if we modeled this video right here, okay? You have it. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna copy this, okay? Copy that. And then you're going to select your video. I'm gonna select a random video real quick, okay? Give me a second here. I hope you guys are doing this with me. Do it with me, it's important, okay? So you can start making some money online, because there's no reason why you can't make money online. So I'm gonna upload one of these videos. It's just a random video here. And then what you wanna do is boom, 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 boom. Use the exact title here. Now, I'm gonna show you how to get subs. Now, this is the most important part of the process, because if you wanna get subs and likes, well, you gotta pay attention to what I'm doing here, okay? Listen, so you're gonna go back here and you're gonna look right here. So what do? You just pretty much copy everything. right? You copy things right here because it's important for the discovery of your video here, okay? So this is very generic copy here. It's just a how-to, so they did all the work for you. You don't have any merch, so you're not gonna do that. You're not gonna do none of this, okay? Now this is the most important step that you need to really pay close attention to. Does that make sense? Please pay attention to this, what I'm about to show you. Hold on, give me a second. I forgot to bring it up. So you're gonna go to a site by the name of VidIQ.com. It is free. Don't buy anything from VidIQ. It is free. They do have paid services, but don't do it. Don't do it, right? Because I told you, I promise you're gonna make money online for free. Smash the like button if you like that word free. No money at all, okay? Now look, this is great during the pandemic right now. My God. Now check this out. I've never shared this before, but it's insane, right? Now listen, what you wanna do is, okay, once you download VidIQ, you get a free account like this, you're going to use Google Chrome. It's important. You got to use Google Chrome. You cannot use Internet Explorer. You can't use Safari. You got to use Google Chrome, because what's going to happen is once you go to VidIQ, you're going to see this plugin here, which is the VidIQ plugin, okay? You can get that from the Google Chrome store. So what it does is it's going to show you basically all the tags that are on the video. So guess what? You don't have to do any research. You have to do nothing to make money online. All you have to do is listen now, right? You just copy all this stuff, right? You just copy everything, right? then what you do, you go right back here, the video that I uploaded here, we hit next. We'll say no, it's not made for kids, whatever. And then you want to monetize only if your channel is monetizable already. Done. Next, right? None of the above here, right? Next. You got to submit that rating there. That's just how easy this is. I mean, I do it like this every single day. It's just easy money for you without spending a dime. And I'm gonna do private here, and then bada boom, bada bing, it is done. Now, what you want to do now? Pay attention. Like I said, don't move too fast, but pause for a second. Smash that like button if you're getting value. Okay. So here's the video, right? Now this should be your video that you did on your iPhone or on your Galaxy phone, your Google phone, doesn't matter, okay? You click on where it says details, because you need to add the tags. Now this is how you get viewed, okay? This is how people find you, the tags, okay? Does that make sense? And you just copy and paste the tags, right? The same tags you got from here. You see this right here? The same tags that you got right here, okay? You're just gonna copy and paste them right here. I know you guys keep seeing those Bora Bora pictures, because listen, you going to Bora Bora, baby. Because when you start making money online, listen, it's like an ATM machine, and you just keep getting money out every single freaking day, every hour sometime, okay? So look, you just copy and paste here. You see what I did there? So how much work did I do? Then I just saved that. I just hit the word save, and then I'm done. Does that make sense? That's all you gotta do. Okay, that's how these channels right here, like Tech Boom, that's how they're making like $10,000 per month, okay? That's how they doing it. Now listen, that's a very easy way to do it. Smash the like button if you can do that right now. Try it. Let me know in the description below where you're calling from. And yes, this is worldwide. You just do it over and over again. Within like the first 10 or 15 videos, you'll start getting views, then you start getting subscribers. Make sure in every video you tell people to subscribe now to your channel. That's important. Anytime you do one of these videos, tell them to subscribe now and like the video. That's all you have to do. It's a 1-minute video. It's just you speaking, you upload it, you tell them to subscribe now and like the video. Now, how many of you can do that? Now, listen, I'm gonna be honest, that's not gonna make you $1 million, but it'll make you 10,000. But if you wanna make $1 million like Wesley Virgin here, let me show you something cool. And this is what I do for people around the world, because I help them make money online. You see the site right here? Okay, pay attention to this. It's online-help. If you need help, stay here for 1 second. Let me show you how I can give you some help. Listen, years ago, maybe like 7, 8 years ago, I was broke. I had no money at all, and I needed money. And what I did was I learned how to create products online digitally, which means it's no physical product. It is no, ain't no physical product, just a digital product. But I made $20 million off a digital product. It changed my life. So what I decided to do, well, how much would I charge for this? Usually I charge about Years ago, I was charging like $1,000 a month just to come into this like mentorship with this program right here called Online Millionaire Mastery. But I decided to discount it. I decided to give everybody access to it. So basically, in this program, if you're looking to make more than $10,000 per month with your own product, because when you have power over your own product, it is so many other ways to make money online. All you need to do, and I'll leave a link in the bio below, is go to wesleyvirgin.com/online-help or type in Online Millionaire Mastery. And listen, you don't have to get it today. All you need to do is listen to the testimonials. Listen to Amy. Amy, she was a young lady and she was new just like a lot of you. And she wasn't taking. And now she's earning like over $100,000 a month. But when she first met me, within the first 30 days, she was a high achiever. She did $10,000 a month. And she said, I couldn't believe how easy it was. And hear from her, look.
Hey, what's up? This is Amy, $1 Million Nicholas. Big shout out to Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Thanks for being my mentor for a little over a year and a half. This time last year, I was making 1/10 of what I'm making now. So I've 10x my income thanks to Wesley. Best health of my life. People think that I'm younger than I really am.
Let's go, Amy.
Thanks all the time about that. More energy thanks to you. Just been really on top of my health.
Thanks, Amy.
Like I said, best shape of my life, best feeling.
Wow, I like it, Amy.
Energy and relationships and just things coming together in my life that I believe for, hope for. I'm purchased his online program, and just a couple of key points that he said in that program just help change outcomes in my businesses that I'm doing online. And I just want to say thank you so much.
So yeah, you see, I mean, we have so many people that's talking about this. I mean, we even got Noah below here. Where's Noah? This guy right here, he's doing like 30 grand a month. I mean, listen, I just give away the keys. You know, I tell you exactly what you got to do. It only takes about 45 days to do it. If you're serious, go get it. I will leave a link in the description below. But remember something, in life, you don't get what you want out of life, okay? I know you guys want this Online Millionaire Mastery. You want to change your life. You want to go to a freaking Bora Bora. I'm getting ready to book this right now. But listen, this is very important before you get this and get involved. You don't get what you want out of life. You get what you picture, which means you got to picture yourself in it, getting this, understanding it, and applying it, and having the work ethic to make it real. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go! Later.